Chocolate is a delicious treat loved by many, but have you ever wondered how it's made? Chocolate actually comes from the seeds of the cacao tree, and the process of turning these seeds into the chocolate we know and love is quite interesting. To make chocolate, the cacao pods are harvested and the seeds or the cacao beans are removed. The beans are then fermented and dried, which helps to bring out their flavor. Next, the beans are roasted, which helps to further develop the flavor and aroma of the chocolate. After roasting, the beans are cracked open to reveal the nibs, which are small pieces of the cacao bean. The nibs are ground into a paste called chocolate liqueur, which is made of cacao solids and cacao butter. The chocolate liqueur can be further processed to separate the cacao solids from the cacao butter, which are then used to make different types of chocolate. To make milk chocolate, for example, cacao powder, sugar, milk powder and cacao butter are mixed together and then heated and cooled to create a smooth and creamy texture. And there you have it, your very own homemade chocolate. It's a complex process, but the end result is definitely worth it. So next time you take a bite of your favorite chocolate treat, you will have a newfound appreciation for all the hard work that went into making it. Tell me in comment section below what you would like to know in the next 2 minutes. Until next time, take care and have a good nap.